Agent AI, the assistant of the future or the silent job thief? Have you ever wished for an assistant to handle all the boring tasks so you could sleep in for an extra 5 minutes? Believe it or not, that dream is about to come true with AI Agent, a virtual assistant that doesn't just follow commands, but actually thinks and works for you. But hold on, is this a technological revolution or a red flag for the workforce? Let's dive in and find out. What is an AI agent? AI agents aren't just clueless chatbots or yes sir virtual assistants you encounter on customer service hotlines. These are intelligent AI systems capable of learning, processing tasks, and making decisions on their own. Basically, they work like real employees without needing constant supervision. Simply put, if chatbots are interns, then AI agents are seasoned employees, sometimes even better at managing tasks than the boss. What can AI agents do? So, what exactly can these virtual colleagues do? In short, almost everything. Task management, replying to emails, scheduling meetings, and reminding you of deadlines, without ever forgetting like humans. Data analysis, reading reports, predicting trends, and making data-driven decisions. Customer support, automatically answering messages, making calls, and handling inquiries like a professional support agent. Content creation, writing articles, designing graphics, making videos. Wait, does that mean I might lose my job? Just assign a task and your AI agent will take care of it. And you? Well, sit back and relax. Should we be worried? But wait, AI agents are this good. Does that mean humans are about to face mass unemployment? The truth is, AI agents aren't perfect. They lack emotions, cultural understanding, and sometimes make decisions that are questionable. That's why we still need human oversight to prevent major blunders. Instead of worrying about being replaced, learn how to work alongside AI. Because when you leverage technology, you'll work faster, smarter, and with way less stress. The future of AI agents. By 2025, AI agents are expected to be widely adopted in businesses, from finance and marketing to creative content production. Tech giants like Google, OpenAI, and Amazon are pouring billions into this technology, meaning it's not going anywhere. It's only getting smarter. So, rather than staying on the sidelines, start utilizing AI now. Who knows? One day, your AI agent might remind you to go to work on time, order your lunch, or even text your crush for you. What do you think about AI agents? Are they the assistants of the future or a looming threat to jobs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech news. See you in the next video. Technology isn't scary. What's scary is not keeping up with it.